Number one, how to become more optimistic. Expect something wonderful to happen every day. Treat people as you would want to be treated. Don't waste breath fighting about things you can't change. Concentrate on the job at hand, not the result you seek. Assume other people mean well. Avoid depressing people and conversations. Eat something delicious every day. Turn off the background television. Adopt an attitude of gratitude. Remember that the best is yet to come. Cultivate the patience and perspective to let go of your results. Focus on what you are doing, no rather than the results. If you are overworked, negotiate a more reasonable workload. Cut your hours to the sweet spot, which is about 40 hours a week. Avoid people who won't or can't control their own stress. Find a place where you can work quietly away from distractions. Turn off news programming that's designed to rule you off. Turn down projects that you can't do well. Arrange tasks consecutively rather than trying to multitask. Number 3, how to overcome fear. Confront your fears to reduce their power. Imagine dealing with the fear to make it less daunting. Remember that fear is just excitement in disguise. Use fear to spawn the energy you need to perform well. Number 4, how to cope with rejection. Realize that rejection is just a difference of opinion. Understand that rejection only hurts because you let it. Remember that every rejection moves you closer to your goal. Keep other opportunities in reserve so you can quickly move on. Number 5, how to rise above failure. Create goals that motivate you to achieve something possible. Always write goals down. Display them where you will see them. Decide by saying, I must or I will, rather than I will try. Break your big goals into smaller, miserable milestones. Check whether you are moving toward or away from your goals. Welcome setbacks because they will hone your plan. Remember that the only true failure is failing to take action. Number 6, how to achieve your dream job. Know what would constitute your dream job. Find role models and incorporate their way of thinking. You have the courage to sacrifice your security. Learn to sell your ideas and yourself. Create a plan and start executing it today. Adjust your goal as you learn more about yourself. Number 7, how to attain career security. Live below your means until you have got 6 months of income saved. Develop expertise that makes it less likely you will be fired. Cultivate new opportunities and record them in an escape plan.